is we're coming in and presenting the elbow, right? So I'm grabbing the back of my neck here. I'm gluing this to along my temple line, and I'm presenting the elbow, okay? So what I'm doing when I do that is I'm covering off my jawline, side of the neck, back of the neck, temple, is all my knockout points, right? Where like that one really good thing is gonna like send me down to the ground, right? I can take a couple in the front, doesn't feel great, but I'm not gonna knock out. I'm talking about like instant knockouts, one hits, which by the way, does not really happen. It's still good to go see like how many fights are decided by one punch knockouts. Not many, right? Technical knockouts, yes, but like that one walk up thing and then gone, no, not that often. So the body's gonna be able to take a little bit more of that, unless you get a flying knee from Aussie Belt when you come in for a shoot, right? Not the greatest idea. So first one is here. So we're gonna just address again that one big punch, right? My secondary arm is gonna come over top of my head, and I'm gonna grasp my wrist here. All right, it's basically coming across, and I'm grabbing. So I have an elbow in the front, elbow on this side. Okay, we call it like a tactical helmet. So in case they're coming forward with something, the punch trajectory changes from this to this, or whatever, coming forward. With that one, let's go ahead. Here, if the second one comes around, I still have a blocker off this, but I'm not just gonna stand here and take it, I'm gonna move forward as well, right? So we call this a tactical helmet, and I'm gonna move into the punch, right? So forward momentum. So last time people were here, I talked about 4 C's. So I'm gonna cover, I'm gonna crash in, then I'm gonna take control of some kind, and then my 4 C is a combative if I need it. Alright, so that's kind of how I build all the punch defense around everything in our school. Cover, which is my computer, crash in, forward momentum. Alright, because as soon as I use that forward momentum, I do what? For drop. What do I do with forward momentum? What do I disrupt on them? Balance the base, right? Yeah. I take away everything. That takes a strong striker, right? We talk about anybody that fights. Is if I have a good solid base and I can move and be mobile, I'm gonna do a lot of damage, right? Everybody agrees with that? Any boxer that can move and punch, they're gonna have angles, move, hit, without all that stuff. So the only way I'm gonna stop them from doing that is to stop the movement. And the way I'm going to do that is by crashing in and taking that, right? How many people can throw really devastating strikes while they're like falling backwards? I'm going to say nobody. Alright? If you can, sweet, but it's not that good. Tim, how much do you guys practice like things that okay, right? If you can get really good at it, then it's sweet, right? But you're in base while you're doing it, right? Exactly. So I want to take that base away. Right? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm here, my hands always start here, right? When we're talking about that, like, hey, relax, blah, blah, because my motion from here to here is pretty quick, right? As opposed to here, all the way up to here is going to be punches by then, right? My goal to watch is that Combatives, so that line across the shoulders and that line down the sternum. I call it Combatives, right? So here, I want to watch this. I don't care what Frank's face is doing. He can be as mad as he wants, whatever. His face isn't going to hurt me unless I'm very sensitive. Otherwise, I don't care. Alright? His feet I don't care about either. If he blades off of it, I'm going to see that in his shoulders anyways when he moves. Alright? So, it's the shoulder. When the shoulder moves is when I move. Alright? I don't want to time this wrong. Alright? So, here, shoulder moves, boom. Alright? So, it's just a slight step forward. As soon as I'm inside that punch, that first elbow, the harder he throws, my elbows come in and destroying that shoulder. My secondary elbow, if I get it, is either going to be in the mouth, the chin, the throat, or the sternum. I don't really care what it is as long as it's something. Alright? So again, I'm going to go slow. Cool, right? So my second one's inside here. It can be anything. It's going to depend on the size of your attacker, right? But the goal is that if I'm really strong and I crash in, the secondary punch is probably not going to happen, most likely. Alright? I don't like saying it's not because anything's possible, but for the sake of the drills. No. So there. So I can, if I'm stalled, again, we talked about it last time, my control point, I'm going to go to an underhook so everybody sees. So I'm here, I've made connectivity, I'm touching him, so I know that anytime he starts moving, I can feel what he's going to do. I'm going to slip underneath, and I'm going to grab the shoulder here. I'm going to step out, create an angle, and I'm going to hit hands to the ear though, okay? Here and push. Okay, so Frank, look back at me. good. If I go here, right, which is a common one, see, if he can turn his head, he can turn his hips, and he can face me again, right? I don't want that, right, I don't want to get it. So once I'm here and here, now my combative, if I need it, which probably will, right, is going to be the final phase. Boom, I can just shove away and walk out, right? Or if my goal is custody and control, then I can go into a takedown. It depends on what I'm doing, right? For now, this isn't an LEO-based seminar, so for now I just want you to throw a combative and push away and make distance, okay? So nice and slow again. Boom, right? That's probably going to end it, or at least really, really damage him. Underneath, grab, push, so it created an angle, right? Definition of an angle is his hips face, my hips face his hips, but his hips face away, right? So we're doing that right now. We're not competing anymore. I have a tactical advantage here for sure. He has to come across his body to get me, and I'm here and here. Again, I can be knee to the groin, which is a beauty, right? The one I really, really like is that if he's pushing really hard with that head, I just remove that pressure. Bang. Right? Then same thing. Knee again, push away. Alright? So I can play like the combative world is great because I can really make it however I want. I can throw a knee, I can throw a kick, I can throw an elbow, I can throw. There's no right or wrong. I can hit his head, hammer his back of the neck, I don't care. Right? The goal is to get inside, not get hit, gain control. So 4 C's, right? Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Does anybody else want to see it one more